Here's another chimney that needs some repointing. There's one piece in the corner wasn't very good. Also, the top of this cap is probably leaking water inside the chimney and will erode that chimney quite quickly. So I'm going to put a new cap on it, fix the top of the cap anyway. Now inside the chimney, I don't think you can see it. Oh yeah, you can. But there's the first flue has a joint on it that usually erodes the quickest because it's a hot-cold joint. And what I've done is fill that back up with good mortar. Over here it wasn't so bad because it's a little lower, but I have also patched the open spots. So that chimney, after it's patched up, will probably live for quite some time and be serviceable. Looks like it needs a little cleaning, flue brush and whatnot, and it'll be pretty good for use.